With ID Engineering. And today we've got a Model X here with some pretty worn tires. Got about 20,000 miles on these tires. So I wanted to check the depths of the tread. We can use the iGAGING tire gauge. It reads out in 30 seconds, which is what they use for the standard, and the legal definition is in 30 seconds as well. So they recommend changing your tires when you're at 330 seconds. The law says 230 seconds. So once you hit 3, you should probably replace it, just for safety reasons. So the first thing you want to do is calibrate it. Right now it just says 0, but that's not going to tell me the depth. I have to set this on a flat surface, like so, and then set it to 0. And now I'll check the depth here. So I put it in the tread hole and set it down. Now, see, it's at an angle, I can't quite see it like that, so I can just push the hold button. And when I lift it up, it actually says 430 seconds. So this tire is technically still good, but we have a new tire here, just in case, ready to replace it with. Now let me check the depth on this guy. So I push hold to release it again, and I'll put it back in there to check the depth. Push hold. And this one is 930 seconds, so more than twice as deep as the old one. Yeah, so this guy is available on the internet at idengineering.us. Pick it up for about 20 bucks. So pretty cool, pretty handy. Thank you. Have a good day.